Hey friends, if WSL or Windows subsystem for Linux is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the solutions are as follows. The first option is to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. Now I'll show you why. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on this option, turn Windows features on and off. Now scroll down and you'll find this option for Windows subsystem for Linux. This is unchecked, which means that this option is off. And why is it off? See, here's the thing. I reset my computer recently. I had a factory reset of my computer recently, and if it's off after a factory reset, that means that it has a problem. So I checked it and I'll click on OK, and it will start enabling this feature. In a while it will work, but I'll also have to restart my computer for it. If this works well and good, if not, then you'll also have to enable Windows hypervisor platform. So search for the same thing and go to this Windows features on and off page once again, and this time we will enable Windows hypervisor. So we have this option here, Windows hypervisor platform. Check it, click on OK, and it will be enabled. The last solution is that maybe you do not have this option in your computer at the first place, and to enable this option you can simply download a Linux subsystem from the Microsoft Store. I suggest download Ubuntu. It will fix the problem pronto. So search for Ubuntu in the Microsoft Store search bar and go to Ubuntu and click on get, and it will be installed in a while. And once it's installed, right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out, and then click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.